Hello everyone, I'm the Enforcer, and welcome to the Day 88 summary. In this first clip we can see the Ukrainian 45th Brigade attacking Russian units near this plant of some sort. We're not particularly sure what kind of plant this is, but we can see that the Russians have now begun to use it as a base of operations, as a large amount of vehicles can be seen here on the screen. These have now been marked on the map with small markers, and we can now see the Ukrainian artillery coming in and raining down hellfire on these Russian units. We can see that the artillery shells are getting honed into their marks now, and we can see that the third round hit dead on into the factory and eliminated some of the vehicles. The fourth shot landed once again in another location, destroying even more Russian vehicles. We can see the next two artillery shots, shot 5 and 6, land in the same area of the plant, as there are a large amount of vehicles stationed there and they're trying to destroy them. As you can see here, pretty much an entire motor pool in that one spot. We can now see them zoom in and show some more of the vehicles that are around this plant, which of course the Ukrainians will attempt to destroy. We can now see the 7th artillery shell land on the other enclave of vehicles near this plant, and of course, destroyed. In this one clip, we can see that a decent amount of Russian vehicles were damaged and destroyed, and it is great to know that the Ukrainians are still inflicting large amounts of damage on Russian forces. Here in this next clip, we can see Russian forces supposedly fighting in the outskirts of Severodonetsk. Severodonetsk has now become one of the frontline cities, as the Russians' battle plans have shifted from the entire country to the southeastern area. Severodonetsk is of course strategically important to the Ukrainian defense, and the Russians are desperately trying to capture it any way they can. The situation is looking a little bit risky, as a breakthrough has been made near Popasna, where the Russians are now starting to reach the Severodonetsk highway, and hopefully the Ukrainians can stabilize the situation and ensure that that area of the front will remain in Ukrainian hands. Lastly, we have footage of a captured Russian TIGR armored car being used by the Ukrainians. Finally, we can see the artillery pot-marked fields around Izyum. This reminds us of how far and long this war has gone, and how much destruction has just been wrought on even a basic area like a farm field. Hopefully this war will end soon. And that is the end of the Day 88 summary. I thank you all so much for watching, and if you did enjoy, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because daily summaries come out like this every single day of the week, and we also run a stream at 10 PM Eastern Time every single night except for Monday, covering the past 24 hours of the war. We also run Sunday fundraisers, which support a nonprofit that is currently operating and helping out Ukraine. I thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all again in the next one. Take care.